How to download Telegram on PC or laptop. First, everyone will open a web browser. Next, everyone will go to the website telegram.org. Select the app. Select Telegram for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Select Get Telegram for Windows x64. After downloading the Telegram installer, left-click the installer to start the installation process. Select OK. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Now everyone will log into their Telegram account to use it on the PC. So I finished showing everyone how to download Telegram on a PC or laptop for you to use. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, everyone.